Hey, Steven's Mind here. Get in my mind for sleep token caramel? Caramel? How do you say that word? How do you say that word? Caramel? I'd say caramel. If you're new to this channel, I'm not even gonna say it. Just, you know what I'm gonna say. Gosh. Scared me. Alright, here we go. Also, I am brand new to Sleep Token. I've only heard, I think, 3 of their songs. 2 songs. I heard Garden of Eden was the first thing I ever heard from them, and then Thread the Needle. So this is my 3rd time ever hearing them. Interesting.
Count me out like sirens, pay back for the good times. Right foot in the roses, left foot on a landmine. I'm not gonna.
Right foot on the roses, left foot on a landmine? Sounds like you feel stuck.
Roses, left foot on a landmine. I'm not gonna be there, tripping on the grapevine. They can sing the words while I cry into the baseline. Wear me out like Prada, devil in my detail.
Hold on, the beat kicked in.
They can sing the words while I cry into the baseline. Wear me out like Prada, devil in my detail. I swear it's getting harder, even just to exhale. Backed up into corners, bitter in the lens. I'm sick of trying to hide it.
So to me, this whole thing is like, it's about feeling like you're stuck. What is he stuck in? Wear me out like Prada, devil in the details. I guess I have to keep listening.
Bitter in the lens. I'm sick of trying to hide it. Every time they take your mind. So stick to me like caramel.
For the girl?
Walk beside me till you feel nothing as well. They ask, is it going good in the garden?
Man, that beat is crazy. I'm trying to really listen to the words, but I feel like I'm a little bit lost. What I'm gathering from it is that he's obviously singing about a relationship. He feels stuck. And it sounds like he's making an assumption that she's going to be over him or sick of him or feel stuck herself if she stays with him. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm way off.
Till you feel nothing as well. They ask, is it going good in the garden? Say I'm lost, but I beg no pardon. Up on the doors below, on the cards, I try not to talk about how it's all now. Can I get a mirror side stage? You can stop ways, some of your bizarre.
I have to sneeze. It's not gonna happen. That's the worst ever. That's the worst ever. Ugh. Just do it. Just, if you're gonna freaking burn, just I'm so sorry, guys. I feel like that person who's like really mean to someone they know, but then there's like a stranger and they're trying to be their best selves. Like, just shut up. I'm so sorry. Just give me 2 seconds. Just shut your mouth. Shut up. Can I get you anything? Do you want some coffee?
Is it going good in the garden? Say I'm lost, but I beg no pardon. Up on the doors below, on the cards, I try not to talk about how it's all now. Can I get a mirror side stage? You can stop ways. Some of your bizarre getting worse every time they try to shove a real name just to get a rise from me. Acting like I'm never stressed out by the hearsay. Guess that's what I get for trying to hide in the limelight. Guess that's what I get for having 20/20 hindsight. Everybody wants eyes on them, I just wanna hear
my gosh, dude. Every time I listen to these guys, their instrumentals are amazing. They remind me a lot of Tool. I've only heard 2 of their songs and then this one, but they're a lot like Tool to me, but different.
Think I'm meaning that I understand, but I'm still glad you came. So let me see those signs. Stick to me like caramel.
I like that.
Walk beside me till you feel nothing as well.
I'm sensing a lot of self-destruction from this song. Self-sabotage. Even the imagery, this flag is just burning. It's just sitting there and it's slowly dissipating because it's burning. I feel like that's what he's doing to himself. That is my intellectual actor perspective of this song. I'm so artsy.
Falling free of the final parallel. Sweetest dreams are bitter, but there's no one left to tell. Too young to get bitter over it all. Too old to retaliate like before.
He's stuck.
Too blessed to be caught, ungrateful, I know. So I'll keep dancing along to the rhythm. This stage is a prison, a beautiful nightmare,
Oh.
a war of attrition. I'll take what I'm given, the deepest incisions. I thought I got better, but maybe
This is actually really sad. He's talking a lot about having everything he wants. Now he should feel blessed, but he also feels cursed. He feels like he shouldn't be able to complain about it, but then he like, it's just yin and yang is this whole song about. It's like a song and dance about your emotions and feeling stuck and feeling like you shouldn't be stuck because you have all these things, but then you're freaking stuck because you're stuck. Your mind. What would be amazing is if this video at this point went in reverse and the flag burned back. That would be really cool and symbolic.
I didn't.
Alright, I wasn't ready for that. Wow. Dude, the song going this freaking hard while that flag is just burned up, that's powerful. Self-destruction is powerful, and that's not a good thing. Don't give it power. I'm guilty of that myself.
The stage is a prison, a beautiful nightmare, a war of attrition. I'll take what I'm given, the deepest incisions. I thought I got better, but maybe I didn't.
What was that? Hold up.
But maybe I didn't.
Whoa, hold up. Oh, whoa. Are those his demons? He's fighting his demons. That's crazy looking. Oh, don't you even start, Flo. You know how much money she's making? She...
It doesn't matter
Hey,
what you're...
never mind. We won't talk about Flo. She's gone. She didn't want us to talk about her, apparently. She's making a lot of money. Anyway, I really like that. I like Sleep Token a lot. I have been sleeping on Sleep Token, because I just discovered them. I think people said I need to start going in order, but this was a newer song. I wanted to check it out. Love God, love the fight, love your life. Do not give up on anything unless it's bad for you. Okay? And please subscribe. I'm almost at 20K. Thanks.